Hello students, in this video we'll discuss few of the questions related to HCF and LCM. So the first question here is, find the greatest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving remainder 5 and 8 respectively. So first we need to understand here in this question what we need to find, HCF or LCM. So here it is given, find the greatest number which divides. Greatest is giving you the hint that it can be HCF, highest common factor, least common multiple. The keyword greatest is giving you the hint that it can be HCF, but that's not the way actually. It is just a hint. So let's go for the depth of the question. Find the greatest number which divides. Okay, so let's take the number as x, suppose. That means x divides. That means x is dividing whom? X is dividing 70 and 125 and leaving remainder 5 and 8 respectively. That means when x is dividing 70, it is giving the remainder 5. When x is dividing 125, it is leaving the remainder 8. So x is doing the work of a divisor here, and 70 and 125, they are the dividend, we can say. So when it is doing the work of a divisor, it can be a factor or a multiple. Of course it is a factor, but it is not dividing 70 or 125 exactly. It is just leaving some remainder 5 and 8. That means from here we can just see that if on dividing 70 it is leaving the remainder 5, that means it is dividing 70 minus 5, that is 65 exactly. It's very obvious. See, x 70 is here and I am getting a remainder 5 here. That means x into something is giving here 65 definitely, and for that reason only you are getting here 5. No. So that means this 65, x into something is coming as 65. And from here only we are getting to know that 70 minus 5, 65 is exactly divisible by x. Similarly, 125 minus 8. How much it will be? 15 minus 8, it will be 7. Here it is 1, then here it is 1. So x is dividing 65 and 117 exactly. Okay. How? That when x is dividing 17, it is leaving remainder 5. When x is dividing 125, it is leaving remainder 8. So 70 minus the remainder, that is the remaining part. 70 minus 5 is 65. 125 minus 8 is 117. So these two numbers are exactly divisible by x. So what we will do? This is the rough part. So how to write? 70 minus 5 is equal to 65. 125 minus 8 is equal to 117. So as x is the factor here, and in question it is asking the greatest number which divides, so it is asking about the greatest factor which is dividing both, that means the common one. So it is asking for the greatest common factor or the greatest common divisor, which is same as highest common factor. So let's find the HCF of 65 and 117 here. 65, let's go for prime factorization method. For 65, what you will get here? 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 13 is a prime number, so let's stop here. Then 117, for 117, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So definitely it is divisible by 3. So let's take 3 here. 3 3s are 9, then 3 9s are 27. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 39 is also divisible by 3. So let's take 3 here. So it will be 13. Again 13 is a prime number, stop here. So what we will write? 65 is equal to 5 to the power 1 into 13 to the power 1, and 117 is equal to 3 to the power 2 into 13 to the power 1. As we are talking about HCF, so we will see the numbers that are present in all. So 13 is the only factor which is present in both. So what is the HCF here? 13. So our answer will be the greatest number that divides 70 and 125, leaving remainder 5 and 8 respectively is 13. This is the answer. Okay. So first what we have done, we have subtracted the remainder from the given numbers. Then whatever output you got, we have calculated the HCF of that, and that is the desired answer. Let's go for the second question now. Two numbers are in the ratio 4:5 and their HCF is 11. Find the LCM of these numbers. Okay, let's go for the answer. So the numbers are in the ratio 4:5, right? So let's take the numbers as, can I take 4x and 5x? Of course, because they are in the ratio 4:5, 4x and 5x. Okay, so first number is what? 4x. Can I write 2 into 2 into x? Okay, like a prime factorization. Then second number, 5x. Can I write 5 into x? Then HCF is saying it is 11. Okay, afterwards we will write 11, but look at the pattern of these numbers. Look at the factorization. What is present in both? X is present in both. So HCF is equal to x here. And what is x? That is given 11 in the question, because HCF is equal to 11, it is mentioned. So now we know HCF is equal to 11. So what is LCM? HCF is equal to 11, that is equal to x. So now this one can be written as what? 2 into 2 into 11, and this one can be written as 5 into 11. So what will be the LCM now? That is 2 into 2 into 11 into 5. So what will be the answer? This is 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 11 into 5 is equal to 55. So we are going to get 220 as the answer. So what is the LCM of the given number? 220. Okay, so what we have done basically, HCF is given 11, but the numbers are in the ratio. So that is why we have taken 4x and 5x. Then we have done the prime factorization of this. This one will be 4x is equal to 2 into 2 into x. That is, then 5x is equal to 5 into x. So from these two we have observed that x is the only number which is present in both. So definitely this is going to be the HCF. So HCF is equal to x we have taken, but HCF is equal to 11 already given. So eventually x is coming as 11. So on putting back this value of x in this previous one, we got 2 into 2 into 11 and 5 into 11. So now we will find the LCM, that is 2 into 2 into 11 into 5, that is equal to 220. I hope it's clear now. Thank you everyone.